My project with Dan is a multi-sensorial experience of the port, and it's very separate from the domain of visual dominance within how we perceive ports, and it's more about listening to what we don't normally have access to, which is sounds that are so low that you might not hear them. Depending on how you interact with the port, you might not feel them, but it is still the port. And we are also listening to the sounds of the water in the port, in the different areas of the port where we mapped out, and that we're amplifying that in the space. And it's about having the presence of the port in this space and listening to what that is, what happens when you transport the port into the space of the museum. So Dan and I designed the space that once the visitor arrives into the room, they are able to be already completely immersed in the sounds of the port and the feelings, also the air of the port. And what you'll see is this very long platform that kind of seems like a dock on the port. So we're kind of resembling the infrastructure that's already there in the port. And then we are pushing sound through the platform that are low frequency sounds that you normally would not know that you are sensing or can hear. So we invite visitors to interact with the platform. That means walking on it, sitting on it. We really invite you to lay down and put your ear on the side of the platform, because then you can really hear that the platform becomes a speaker in itself.
This residency is also in collaboration with a research group from University Polytechnic Valencia. And the iTEAM research group, they are working a lot with building digital twins of a space and environment, especially in the port of Valencia. But their approach is more about visually model and create this like 3D environment of the port, integrated with live sensor data, so they can use to like improve the logistics and make the port working in a more efficient way. So when we came in, we are very interested in this technology and this scientific approach of understanding the port, but we also take a more artistic way to look at it, because in the development of these digital twins and the telepresence technology, vision is always been like the primal sensory modality. And we are, like Colette and I, we are very interested in sound and like other sensory experience of the environment.
El que tenim així ara en la sala és el mateix que hem vist en el laboratori, és a dir, en el laboratori en temps real estem capturant constantment el que està passant en el port i ho reproduïm en el digital twin del laboratori. El que veurem així és una reproducció de lo que està passant en el laboratori o el que estava passant en el laboratori mentre fem aquest tipus d'experiments, que és aquesta sensació d'estar immers en la realitat remota.
Llevamos desde hace 4 ediciones ya un programa de residencias de artistas en laboratorios de la Universidad Politécnica de Valencia, para sacar el conocimiento que allí se produce a través de la interacción con artistas. Este es un proyecto muy especial que desarrollamos desde el área de acción cultural del Vicerrectorado, pero que no se realiza solo desde el Vicerrectorado, es también una alianza con un centro cultural tan importante en la Comunidad Valenciana como es el Centro del Carmen. Y también contamos con el apoyo del Ministerio de Ciencia, Innovación y Universidades a través de las convocatorias de la Fundación FECID, que proporciona una convocatoria abierta para que artistas internacionales se presenten. De hecho, tenemos abierta ya la convocatoria del próximo año sobre computación cuántica.